All right, day 2. Here's our unicorns and our little one in here. These are the eggshells that we just pulled out, but you gotta swap out the water every day. But super fun for your kid to do. All right, we have completed the hatching, growing unicorn eggs. We are getting them out of the water. This one is pretty dry. It just still has like a cold touch to it. Here is this one. I don't know, is it gonna stand up? Yep. So cute. It is really cool how they're all different. So they don't feel like sponges, but they are wet and they will start to dry. We left one out earlier today and it did start to dry, and what they do is they start to shrink just a little bit, not as fast as they grow. These we put in Sunday morning and they really hatched a lot sooner, a lot quicker, which was pretty cool to watch. The hatching process was really cool. That one has wings. Look at all these colors. So fun. So if you have a kid, oh, that one's jumping. If you have a kid that loves unicorns and eggs and hatching, I mean, my boys like the dino hatching stuff. Like, these are pretty cute. And then we can put them on display. Love it. What do you think, Rosie?
They're really cool. How they grow and shrink. And when they were in the egg stage, I kept testing to see if they were getting ready. And that night, they were like almost hatched.
It was cool. They aren't like Hatchimals where you can like break them open. It was a gradual process, so highly recommend. One thing my daughter did notice for the ones that have been drying, they're a little bit more colorful than the ones that just came out of the water. And these probably still have like another day or two to grow. Obviously they're quite a bit littler, but we just wanted to show you them in stages. And as they grow and as they dry, the color develops more.